Have you ever tried to visit a website or watch a video only to see a message like, "This content is not available in your region"? Or maybe the site is blocked completely. This isn't a glitch, it's internet censorship, and it affects millions of people worldwide. Today we're going to explain why censorship exists, how it impacts your freedom online, and how a VPN can help you bypass it safely and privately. Governments and organizations block or restrict content for a few key reasons. Political control. Some countries limit access to news, social media, or foreign websites to control the flow of information and maintain political power. Cultural or religious restrictions. Certain topics may be censored based on local values or laws. Corporate interests. Streaming platforms or online services often geo-block content to enforce licensing rules and regional agreements. National security or morality. Governments sometimes justify censorship in the name of public safety or decency, but it can at times lead to overreach. The result? Entire platforms, apps, or independent news outlets can be shut off for millions, leaving people in digital isolation. Let's look at a few real-world cases. In China, apps like YouTube, Facebook, and Wikipedia are blocked by the Great Firewall. In Iran, messaging apps and international news sites are heavily restricted. Even in Western countries, websites can be blocked at the ISP level for copyright, legal, or political reasons. And during conflicts or protests, governments can shut down the internet entirely. This makes it harder for citizens to communicate, learn, or see what's really happening. This is where VPNs, or virtual private networks, can come into play. A VPN encrypts your internet traffic and reroutes it through a server in another location. That means you can appear to be browsing from a different country, you can access blocked content, and you can do it privately, without your ISP or government tracking you. With the VPN, you can read news from global sources, watch content that isn't available in your country, use apps and websites that are restricted where you are. It's not about entertainment, it's about access to information, freedom of speech, and digital independence. In most countries, VPNs are 100% legal, but in highly censored regions like China, Russia, or North Korea, using a VPN may be restricted or monitored, so it's important to check the laws of your country before using one. That said, in many places, VPNs are a lifeline for journalists, students, researchers, and everyday citizens. Not all VPNs are equal. A good VPN should offer strong encryption to protect your data, no logs policies to keep your browsing private, servers in multiple countries, and fast, reliable performance. Free VPNs might seem tempting, but many come with data limits, weak security, and even malware. So choose one that's trusted and secure. So next time you hit a blocked page or a restricted video, remember, it's not just a technical issue, it's censorship. But with a VPN, you can reclaim your access to the open internet, no matter where you are. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, follow, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.